Valued at more than $250,000 Belize. Today, the government of India gifted Belize COVID-related medical aid in the form of hydroxychloroquine, tablets, 14 essential drugs, testing kits, and COVID-related protection gear as part of its regional response to the global pandemic.
So the government of India decided to get together, and the Prime Minister decided to allow some kind of donation, and he rounded up the necessary, he got his medical team together and got the necessary equipment and the medication that he felt would assist countries. We have a great relation with the SICA, India SICA. We have a great relation with CARICOM and also with the South American countries. So these are some of the countries that were partisan in such a donation. It's just not only medication, it's PPEs, you have masks, you have some kits, you have some gowns, you have thermometers. So you have a bit of everything. It's a whole combination.
In that combination are over 20,000 tablets of hydroxychloroquine, drugs used to prevent or treat malaria. It is also the drug that many believe can cure persons infected with the SARS-CoV-2 virus. The FDA cautions against the use of hydroxychloroquine due to the risk of heart rhythm problems.
Everybody has their own view. I remember when I brought it up with the minister, and he said he would gladly accept it. Whether they're going to use it or not is something. They would use it definitely for other illnesses. So I think it's best that the medical doctors advise you of why this medication may be used or may not be used. But India just found it in there to put a combination of all these medications put together.
We always take the advice from the doctors. We don't know if we are going to use those medications. It's already the whole package of donations, so we had to accept. I already spoke to the ambassador, and that's why he mentioned also that it will be up to us if we will use it or not. And we have seen the evidence outside other countries, and from there we are going to use it. And we always take the advice from WHO and PAHO, so we will still hold on those medications.
The government of India, through Belize's Ministry of Health, will also be facilitating online training for frontline healthcare workers. According to Honorary Consul General of India to Belize, Arun Hochandani, the delivery of this medical aid was accomplished despite the difficult circumstances of the global lockdown, which has adversely affected the drug supply chains and global delivery logistics. Health Minister Pablo Marin says the donation would greatly assist Belize's fight against the novel coronavirus.
This is just a positive impact to Belize and to show that friendly relationship that we had with India for so many years. This just shows that, you know, when you have a big brother, they always look at the young one and try to hold their hand and make the walk. So this is something that I think we should really appreciate. We should look at the extent of the help that it will do. $250,000 being donated by a country is a lot.
Reporting for News 5, Hipólito Novello.